9. Tornadoes. Coming in at number 9 are tornadoes, nature's most violent storms. These spinning columns of air can reach wind speeds over 300 miles per hour, tearing through homes, vehicles, and landscapes in minutes. Tornadoes are most common in the US, especially in Tornado Alley, but they can strike anywhere. The 2011 Joplin, Missouri tornado was a tragic example. With winds up to 200 miles per hour, it killed 158 people and caused $2.8 billion in damage. Tornadoes are dangerous because they form quickly, leaving little time to prepare. Advanced warning systems have reduced deaths, but their destructive power remains unmatched.